Hello, today I'm going to show you how to open and close your Audi A1 or S1 with your remote and your manual keys.
Yeah, let's start. This is the wireless key. With a wireless key, you are able to open your car wireless. There are three buttons. One is to open, one is to close, and the center we will go and see next. Now let's open the car first. Only push the unlock button. And you can see the turn signal is flashing and we can enter the vehicle. So let's sit down, close, and from the interior of the car we are going to open and close the car by these buttons over here. Close. Now the car is locked. All of the doors to open, lock there. Nice and easy. Let's go to the next step. The key is inside that remote key. Push there and get the ignition on. So there it is. And here is the computer based in the center. And now let's go. We can have a setup by rotating this button over there, and we can choose by pushing it down. So let's go. Car, vehicle settings, central locking. Lock, long press to open the windows. This I will show you. We are going outside. You can open the windows by pressing and holding the open button for the front windows or the rear windows or all of them. This you can choose here. Nice and easy. Now let's go to next. Unlock doors. You can set up there that only the driver door is open or closed or all. I'm setting to all. Go back. Lock when driving. That means if you're going with the car up to 15 kilometers per hour, the car will lock. But why? But this is a safety thing, so you can choose it on or off. So this is the vehicle settings for your car and lock status. Let's go outside again. Close and go. Yeah. Now we can lock the car by pushing the lock button over there. Is it locked? No. Why it's not locked? Now it's locked. Good job. Maybe the battery is low. So open and close. Next thing is manual opening. Over there, push in the key, left turn open, you can see, right turn close. Good job. Another awesome feature is, if you open the car, you can get out of the car, go to the rear seats, and now you pick up something, but you like to close the car if you're closing the door. So now we can lock the car, get back or hide our key, take something out of the car, close the door, and the car is locked. Nice and easy. Another awesome thing is hold and push this button and you can see the windows are open. Nice for thumbnail. Close the same, the different. Nice. Good. Close is locked. You can only open the trunk separately. Let's have a look. Center button and LEDs are checking. I will show you. Closed and open now the trunk. Good job. Now we can grab up a little bit and so on. It's also close the car, only the trunk is open. Now, forget back and automatically closed again. Everything is closed. Nice and easy. These are all the options if you have a remote key for your car. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. I'll see you next time. Thun thun.